Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 6 Prachi English Grammar chapter number 1 the sentence. Okay, so if you have not watched part 1 and part 2, so here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay, so here in this video we will discuss from exercise number 4, right? So here identify and write the type of the following sentences. Okay, so here the first one, can you get aside please? So you know yes no starts with auxiliary verb, right? So here you know can is used, and at the end of the sentence you find there is an question mark, there is use of question mark. So this is an interrogative sentence, not imperative sentence. So this is an interrogative, not imperative. Then next here, Mr. Kishore is a rich man. So here you find yes, this is a statement, positive statement, right? So this is you know assertive sentence. Then next here, have you read Shakespeare's Othello? You know here yes, the sentence starts with auxiliary verb and ends with question mark. So this is an interrogative sentence. Then next here, what a fast runner he is. So as in the previous video we have already discussed, exclamatory sentence starts with how, what, or using interjection. So you know this is an exclamatory sentence, right? You know exclamatory means to express sudden feelings, right? Strong feeling. So here what a fast runner he is. As you find here the sentence starts with WH word and ends with an exclamation mark. So this is an exclamatory sentence. The next here, there is no sense in okay, there is no sense in doing that. So you know this is an assertive sentence. Then next here, oh I wish I were young again. Do you know this is a wish, right? So this is you know an exclamatory sentence. As you find here an exclamation mark is used at the end of the sentence. Okay. Then next here, has he finished his homework? So here you find the sentence starts with auxiliary verb and ends with a question mark. So this is an interrogative sentence. Then next here, Karina threw a delightful party, right? So here you know this is positive statement, right? You know declarative two types, you know positive declarative, another you know negative declarative. So you know this is positive declarative, that means this is an assertive sentence. Then next year, how scary the jungle is. So you know this is an exclamatory sentence, as the sentence starts with you know how and ends with an exclamation mark. So this is you know an exclamatory sentence. Then next year, how can we conserve water, right? So you know this is a WH question. This is you know interrogative two types, first you know yes no and WH. So here you find the sentence start with the WH word, right? How? To here this is an interrogative sentence. Clear? Then next here, change the following into negative sentences. Okay? So here the first one, please open the window. So here just you have to add not. Okay? So here just you have to add not to make into negative. So here please open the window. So here don't open the window, right? So here just you have to add don't. Then next here, is he a doctor? So here just you have to add not, right? Is he not a doctor, or you can also write in contracted form. Okay, isn't he a doctor? Okay. Then next here, they are playing football. So here you have to just add not after the auxiliary verb are. They are not playing football. Clear? Then next, go away. So you know this is an imperative sentence, positive imperative. So here you need to add a don't go away. Then next here, Garima is intelligent. Garima is not intelligent just by adding not after the auxiliary verb. Then next here, where are you going? So you know this is okay, interrogative. Okay, WH. So here you have to change into negative. Aren't. Okay, aren't you going anywhere? Okay. So here you have to use question mark at the end of the sentence. Then next here, the garden is open for all. So yes, just you have to add not after the auxiliary verb is. The garden is not open for all. Then next here, this is our classroom, right? So similarly here, okay, you have to add not after the auxiliary verb is. This is not our classroom. Then next here, are the girls dancing? So you have to add yes not. Are the girls not dancing? Or another way, you can also write aren't. Okay, aren't the girls dancing? Then next here, Archana is a lazy girl. Archana is not a lazy girl. Just you have to add not after the auxiliary verb is. Clear? Then next here, change the sentences as directed. Can you switch on the light please? So you have to change into imperative sentence. You know this is an interrogative sentence, right? Here, please switch. please switch on the light, or switch on the light please. You can also please at the beginning or at the end of the sentence, right? Then next here, she is my best friend. So you have to change into interrogative. So in interrogative, auxiliary verb comes to the beginning, right? Is. Other part will remain same, just you have to bring, use the auxiliary verb at the beginning of the sentence. Is she your best friend? So you have to use question mark at the end of the sentence. Then next here, call her inside. So this is an imperative sentence. So you have to change into negative. Don't call her inside, just you have to add a don't, before the main verb call. Then next here, I never asked you to do it. You have to change into interrogative, right? So here you have to write, have I ever asked you to do it? Have I ever? Don't write never. Then use question mark at the end of the sentence. Then next here, what a pleasant surprise it is. So this is an exclamatory sentence. So you have to change into assertive. It is a very pleasant surprise. Then next here, is she writing a story? So you have to change into assertive. She is writing a story. So here subject will come to the beginning of the sentence. She is writing a story. Then next here, it is available at every shop. So you have to change into negative declarative. Negative declarative. So here you have to write, it is not available. It isn't. Declarative, two types: positive declarative, negative declarative. Negative declarative means just you have to add not. It is not or it isn't. Available at every shop. Then you have to use full stop at the end of the sentence, not question mark. Full stop. Then next here, the hunter has lost his hopes. You have to change into interrogative, right? So you have to, here, does the hunter have lost his hopes? Then next here, the schools are not closed today. You have to change into assertive, means just you have to remove not. The schools are closed today, right? Then next here, is the room ventilated? You have to change into assertive. The room is ventilated. Clear? I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you.